Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix notifications not showing on iPhone. Firstly, you need to check the notification settings. You need to open your settings and over here scroll a bit down until you find this notifications icon. Select the notifications and here you need to select the app that is not showing notification. And here you can also select the notification style and you need to also disable schedules notification summary. You need to go back. And over here, in the top, there's an icon for the schedule summary. Select there. Make sure it is off. If it's toggled on, simply toggle it off beside it. And that is it. And also check your internet connection. Apps like Messages, WhatsApp, and email require an internet connection for notification. Slide up in the notification bar and connect to a stable Wi-Fi or enable cellular data. If needed, toggle on the airplane mode on and off as well. And that is it. By following this troubleshooting step, you can resolve most notification issue on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.